Yeah, what's up, guys? It's your boy Dimo. Welcome to the channel once again. And in this episode, we're gonna be talking about bots. Yes, how to trade bots on Deriv and Binary.com. Obviously, you know they're the same company, just that they branded from Binary.com to Deriv. Yes, how to trade on these platforms with bots. Yes, you're gonna see how we're gonna be loading these bots and how we're gonna be using it, and I'm gonna do this on both platforms. And then as a bonus at the end of this video, I will giving you guys an offer you're gonna like with respect to these bots. So stick around, don't miss that. Stick around to the end of the video. So let's get started, guys. So yes, this is by Deriv, and we're gonna be looking at how to trade on Deriv.com using trading bots. Yes. So before we get into the whole thing, before you even think about using these bots, you have to have an account with Deriv.com. I'll leave a link in the description below, so you can use that link to sign up for an account with Deriv.com, so you can start trading. Obviously, you know how this thing goes. They might give you sign up bonuses. It's a partners link, so try using that link. So, and also I have a video on how to open an account with Deriv.com. So I'm gonna leave the link to that video at the top, somewhere at the top. You're gonna see it on the screen. So look at that video. It has everything you need to know about this Deriv platform. Yes. So let's get started, guys. So now when you sign up to when you sign into your Deriv account, that's on Deriv.com, this is what you're gonna see. This is the home page, like the trading interface. So you just head straight out here. Look at what my cursor is hovering. So you just go straight out here and you click the drop down menu and then go straight to the bot. Yes, that's the Deriv bot. Yes, so we click it. There we got it. This is the bots interface. This is where you can build your bots. Sorry for that. This is where you can build your bots, and then you can also upload your bots. This is just the bots the bot interface where we try using bots. And obviously, you know what bots are. They come from the word robots, like automations. They actually help you trade either partially or fully, as in it can either be part automation or full automation. But the idea is these robots or AI, artificial intelligence, just helping you out with all these things. So for most parts, most bots, if it's a full automation, you don't need to stress yourself out trading all by yourself. You just need to, these instructions are already coded into the bots, both the strategies, the entry points, the exit points, all that. So the bot just works on simple how would I put it, simple instructions, and that's it. For the most part, what you're gonna be changing in these bots is just the same kind of things. Understand? Even if you're getting a bot from somewhere else, you just need to. The only thing you need to change here is just the. I'll still hammer on this later on, but let me just put it out there. Your target profit, your stop loss, your stake. That's your stake per trade. Then the material factor, and that's it. This is just the primary things you need to change. Everything just needs to stay the same. Or yes, if you want to change the pair you're trading, maybe you want to trade indices, or you want to trade commodities, or you want to trade forex. So that's just basically it. Every other thing stays the same. So let's try loading a bot. So the bot, you just have to click this the file icon, the import. Yes, that's the icon. Yeah, I already have some couple bots already loaded, but I'm going to start afresh. So click local. That's to go to your local storage. Now you can select a file from your device, and it's going to redirect you to where you're going to upload the trading script. Yes, you're going to upload the trading script to the site. So let's say I want to upload this bot. This is the trading script. I want to upload it. I'm going to remember, guys, we have something at the end of this video. Please stay to the end, guys. So I'm uploading it, is loading, and that's it. All you just gotta do is click open, and yes, your board is on your interface. So that's it. Like I said, for most part, these boards, they just have every bot has they just have something in common. Understand? These things must be there. The target, your target, that's your profit. Your loss, that's your stop loss, that's for your loss for the day. And then your stake per trade or per entry, then your martingale factor. So I usually advise my students to keep your loss for a day or for a section, however you want to do it, to 5% of your trading balance. That's whatever this is a demo account, but whatever you have here, just do a 5% of that and then you put it here. Simple as that. Then sorry, this is your target profit rather. You just have to put okay, for the target profits you just have to do 10%. Yes, 10% of your trading balance, which is whatever you have here. You just do a 10% of that and then put it down here. And then your stop loss, you just do a 5%, like I said before. You just do a 5% of whatever you have in your trading balance and then put it down here. And then your first stake, can leave this between 1 to 2%. Yes. And then the martingale factor, I just advise you keep it straight to 1. Keep straight up 1. Just don't mess around with that. So then if you wanna change whatever you're trading, maybe you want to trade forex or stock indices or commodities, or in this case I'm choosing synthetic indices. So or you want to trade continuous indices under synthetic indices, then you choose the pair. If it's forex, let's just mess around with forex. So let's just major pairs, and then let's say euro card. Currently, as I'm recording this video, the market is closed, so this board is not going to run because market is closed. So let's go back to synthetic indices. I just want to show you guys how to mess around with some markets. So just go continuing indices. You can choose the pair you want to trade. Let's just say volatility 10x. Yes, and that's it, guys. Once you've kept this at 5%, these are 10. These are 10%. Why do I keep saying that? These are 10%. These are 5%. These are 1%. These are. Then you leave this to 1, guys. So that's just it. Don't do anything. Don't mess around with this. These are they might not be in the right order, but just look out for this 1, 2, 3, 4, the 4 of them, and then you choose the pair you want to trade. So let's just try running this bot. So you see how a bot runs. It's not rocket science. That's it. The bot just started. The bot is starting, and then yes, it's just pre-started. Just bought a contract. So that's it, and it's gonna be like that until whenever these instructions are triggered. Yes, whenever these instructions are triggered, then your bot is gonna stop. Unless you wanna stop it by yourself, you can either click this pause sign or the stop sign, and then everything stops. Either ways, it's only gonna stop if if these are triggered. If any of these are triggered, either your take profit hits or your stop loss hits, or in general maybe you are out of cash, you've lost a lot of money. So that's it. So yeah, about the offer I told you guys at the end of this video. Yes, it just has to be this boat. Yes, you might be thinking, yes, I can't build a boat. How do I go about this? How can I get a boat? Well, the good news is I got you guys. So here's the thing, I have boats, I have access to boats, I keep having access to boats if that's gonna make any sense. As you can see them, currently I have 100 plus boats right now in this particular folder. There are 100. Yes, so I can give you these boats, I can give them out. Yes, so all you just have to do is contact me, but then it comes with a little price, because I have a problem with I've had problems in the past with just giving people things free straight up. Yes, I don't know, they tend to abuse it, so I've tended to like check that in a little bit. So I don't want to, I'm not charging you for these boats. These are trading scripts. Each of them on the lowest, each of them costs nothing less than $100, or let me say $50. So I don't just want to charge you for it, because obviously I don't know if you want to pay for all these boosts, as in for where I got them, for where I built them, the host rates and everything. It's gonna be crazy. You're gonna pay a crazy sum of money. But just hi, just I'm wanting to do this is I'm gonna add you to a group. We have a group. These bots are there. You're just paying for an access on to be in that group. You're just paying for an access in that group. So it's not much. It's just $100. So you just pay a one-time fee of $100, and then you have access to this. And the good thing is it doesn't end with these 100 plus boats. I keep getting these boats. So the idea is not just having all these, but you don't just need all of them. The whole idea of staying in a box full of apple is not to finish the whole apple. It's just to that freedom of choice. You can eat any apple, you can eat as much as you like. So that's just the idea here. So when you're in this group, we're gonna be keeping you posted with boats. You understand? So you can test run these things. You just need one or two, just one bot that can able to do the magic for you. And then once you got that, you can take it from there. So that's it, guys. If you're interested in getting these bots, just I'll leave a link in the description below to contact the admin on Telegram. Yes, that's is a Telegram group. So that after payment you just be added. That's the one-time fee, and you'll be getting all these bots and the subsequent bots we'll be getting in future. Let's just get to Binary. Now this is Binary.com. I told you guys I'm gonna do for a video. I'm gonna do for Deriv, and I'm gonna do for Binary. So this Binary, when you go to your Binary.com, it's just the same, guys. This was Deriv's former site before they rebranded to Deriv. Understand? They were Binary.com, but then this year, between last year and this year, being 2020, they just switched over to Deriv. So it's just the same. But I'm just showing this because there are some bots right now, because there have been bots that have been running on this site, and I've noticed that some of them haven't been modified to run on this site yet. Some of them, just few of them, but most of them run on both. But just few of them run here alone, and very few to run here. But for the most part, most of them run on both because it's the same company. You understand the idea there? So just when you log on to your binary.com, just go to binary bot. Yes, when you go to binary bot, so that here is it, guys. When you get to binary bot, yes, this is the bot interface. You can just this might be slightly different. When you click that, it might take you to a page, then it asks you to start building bots. I'm already logged in, that's why everything is like that. But then it's just one page, and then when you click get started, it just takes you here, and that's it. So all you just gotta do here is to do the same thing. You click the file button. Look at the file button up there. Yeah, that's it. And it's gonna ask you to load blocks. You're gonna choose either from your local storage or from your Google Drive. So in this case, I have this both on my computer, so I'm gonna click my computer and then I'm gonna load. So let's say I want to load bot 1. So I load bot 1. I click open. And then yes, I have the bot there. So you can see it's just pretty the same thing. You just need to change your target, your stop loss, and then your stake, and then your martingale for these 4 things are just the basic things, because these whole things, they depend on your account, because it's not going to be constant. Nobody has the same, everyone doesn't have the same what's it called again, the same profit targets. Not all accounts can withstand every loss. So these whole things are singular to you, you understand? So you just need to change these stuffs, and then yes, switch them to your account. Remember the percentage rule: profit 10%, loss 5%, stake 1 to 2%. That's it, guys. And then after that, you press play, you press the play icon, and then your bot starts running. Yes, that's pretty much it, guys. So as you can see, it started running. So remember, guys, if you need these bots, if you need access to these bots, is nothing. I can't even start. This is not something to start convincing you guys on. I'm not selling these bots, like I said, because if I'm gonna charge you for these bots, I don't know how much you're gonna pay. That's gonna be enough for 100 bots, 100 trading scripts blocks, plus the subsequent ones you're gonna be getting. I'm just charging for the access to the group, so that it's kind of a way to attach a little bit of value. So just try to get it. If you have a bot, then fine, you now know how to use it. So that's it, guys. If this video was of any value to you, which I know it was, kindly like this video. Also yeah, share to your friends, and obviously everyone gets value and everyone's happy. And then also subscribe and enable notifications so you don't miss out on awesome content we put out here. So that's it, guys. See you in the next video. Stay safe. Peace.